Engage in devotional service. Engaging in devotional service involves dedicating time to practices that cultivate a deep relationship with the Supreme Lord. This practice provides a stable source of inner tranquility and aligns your daily activities with higher spiritual values. There are certain activities that are not so favorable, but for the most part, we just try to please the Supreme Lord with what we're doing, whether that's cooking, cleaning, raising children, with so many things, making music. You can always try to spiritualize everything.
We are not of this world. The body will decay, but the spirit lives on forever. But we have to take care of this body because this is a gift from the Supreme Lord that we have to use.
What about inner peace? Devotional practices help you connect with a higher purpose and source of love, which provides a sense of fulfillment and peace that is not dependent on ever-changing external factors. By focusing on devotional service, you shift your attention on the highs and lows of material life, steady spiritual commitment, maintaining balance through life's fluctuations. We can incorporate devotional activities such as prayer, mindfulness, or singing the holy names of the Lord into our morning and evening prayer routines. We seek guidance. We try to receive insights from the Supreme Lord, to express our gratitude to the Supreme Lord. And this way we can enhance our inner tranquility. We become more accepting, more tolerant of the situation here that we find ourselves in this temperamental dimension here. It's not always going to be going our way. We develop the wisdom to know the difference between those things which we have to accept and which we can try to change.